Decimals, add and minus. So let's have a look at the rules for adding and subtracting. First thing we do, we line up the decimal points. So you can do the column method. Then if there are any gaps, fill in a 0. And finally, place a point down below in your answer line. And don't forget, we always start on the right for this method. So let's start nice and easy. Don't forget, line up the decimals and start on the right. 3 plus 2, that's 5. And 4 plus 3, that's 7. Answer 7.5. Here we've got a gap, put in a 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 1, well that's 8. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. So don't forget, line up the decimals and start the calculations on the right hand side. So here's our number. So we're going to pop in some zeros. We don't really need them that side of the decimal point, but it just helps to remember that there's nothing there. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 1, that's 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1, and 3 plus nothing is 3. There's your answer. So let's find the sum. So that means add. So there's our sum, add in the zeros if we need to. And let's begin on the right. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 9, well that's 15. So we pop the 5 down and we carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. Add the 1 gives us 8. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. 18.55. So find the difference. That means take away. So 2.8 take away 0.13. So 8 take 3, we know that's 5. 0 take 1, now we can't do that, so we need to borrow from the neighbour. Make that a 1, carry it across, so it's 10 take 1 is 9. And then 1 take 0 is 1, 1.95. So find the difference again. Say we've got 7 minus 2.78. So we write that in, and of course we fill in the zeros. So this is a hard one to do because the bottom number's bigger. So we look along, we've got 70. So we can take that down to 69. Carry over the 1, so that's 10 take 8 is 2. And then we do 9 take 7, which is 2. And then of course 6 take 2, which is 4, 4.22.